Before you get started, make sure that all of the parts are accounted for and ready for the installation. To start off, unscrew the clamp. Secure the clamp under the base. Choose the correct setting for the clamp to accommodate the thickness of your desk before tightening. Fasten the clamp tightly in place. For a through desk installation, drill a 10 mm hole at least 40 mm from the rear edge of the desk. Insert the threaded rod into the underside of the base and rotate it several times until it feels firmly secured. Feed the threaded rod through the desktop before securing with the locking plate and wing nut. Once the base is secure, you can begin assembling the arm. If possible, leave a gap behind the desk to allow more flexibility when positioning your screen later. Loosen these two grub screws to make installing the next parts much smoother. Attach both of the lower arms before tightening the grub screws. This secures the arms to the base. Loosen these two grub screws before attaching the upper arms and tightening them back up. Once the arms are attached and secured, make sure the face plates are straight, ready for the monitors to be attached. Tighten the tension setting anti-clockwise until it can be turned no further, and then clockwise for the tilt adjustment. This ensures that the arm will take the weight of your monitor before making any adjustments. To make the job of mounting your monitor much easier, insert the upper two screws a few turns. There is no need to fully tighten these just yet. Now, you can simply hang the monitor on these screws, allowing the arm to take all the weight while you tighten the rest. Adjust the tension screw clockwise, reducing its strength, until the screen no longer moves up on its own. This varies depending on the weight, but you will soon hit the sweet spot where the monitor sits exactly where you want it. The tilt tension can now be adjusted to your liking. Now it's time to clean up the cables. The upper cable management simply flexes open. For the lower cable management, push the cables in firmly through the center channel. Be sure to leave some extra slack so that the arm can move freely without snagging any wires. Congratulations! The next part is all down to how you would like to position your new Invision MX400. Please contact our dedicated team if you need any assistance.